Well, it's been a crazy year already. But I just want to take a moment to give thanks and make sure that I don't forget a June update. All sorts of beautiful changes that no matter how tough things get or pity party poor me, one thing that's constant is nature just keeps growing. And if we're nature, then maybe we could learn a little something. Look at the little babies. I'm so grateful that everything's just coming up wherever, whenever it feels like, but every day there's new blooms. And I don't know if you can tell, the last video that was covered in peas and evening primrose, but I'm still hand cutting those screamers down there foods. We did get some rain. Another reason to be grateful. I was watering every day, and then I got to take a break and have my own pity party and my own waterworks. It's hard to be miserable for too long here, but it does happen. There's always something to trigger us into healing our traumas, including ones that we totally thought were healed or whatever, or long forgotten. But sure enough, here we are 3 years later, and all of this is just, oh my gosh, it's like, I can't even believe it. I looked at the before pictures a couple days ago and then walked out here and took some more pictures. How can I not be grateful, right? I've been harvesting like crazy. In fact, I just took buttloads of this yarrow. Yeah, I guess I could take a walk around, and give thanks. A lot of this stuff, we had that really messed up year, I guess, if that's what you want to call it, in winter, and, wasn't sure what was going to come back or not, and not everything did, but I am definitely super happy with everything that did. All of this beautiful, abundant medicine that's just, what could be more healing than this, right? Aw, kitties want to follow me. Yes, I'm keeping the dehydrators full every day. Wow, I can't wait. Let's go look over here. One of the hollyhocks didn't want to come back for whatever reason, but that's okay because there's other little babies over there, brand new baby, so that'll come back. But wow, I love these flowers and I love their medicine. Their tincture tastes like a marshmallow. Yeah, I've been harvesting, let's see, everything. Blue tansies looking good, clary sage. Been harvesting, let's see, chamomile, feverfew, daisies, self-heal, white clover, of course mints, buttloads of yarrow, comfrey. Let me try to be current just the last couple days. Oh, oregano. What else? Oh, St. John's wort, which after 3 years I'm finally getting. Oh, hyssop. Got a couple beautiful hyssop plants. Look at all this. Oh my gosh. And then the borage planted itself, thankfully, because I thought that was gone forever. But one just came back, so I'm pretty stoked about that. Yeah, and out here I just come in every day, every morning, pick the fresh flowers. Even before morning coffee. All the sunflowers, black-eyed Susans coming up everywhere. Beauty berries are starting to be beautiful. Yeah, the kiwi that I had this year will be next. So much trouble with. Looks like it's doing pretty good. It started growing up here, right next to this beautiful gladiola. I don't know, everything just kind of put itself where it wanted to be, thanks to armadillos, deer, cats, birds, storms, who knows, whatever. And like, for example, the echinacea and mugwort, they're doing fine, right? Why not? I'm not ready for this mustard to go to seed yet. Look at the chickens. They do like being able to take part. Oh, damn goats. Got my berries, but I'm getting a few. They've been big enough. Look at this color here. Oh my gosh. Looks like this will be loaded for sure. But, yeah, the goats kind of like to eat everything. Of course, this shoddy fence is going to be off the hook in no time when all these morning glories grow up it, and hopefully every color of the rainbow. Oh, leave our mullein alone here. Yeah. Right. Beauty. What up, everybody? Got a new fence over there, huh? So, let's see. Yeah. I have to give thanks that even though it's been a little rough and feels kind of lonely and overworked sometimes, that the vision is definitely taking shape. And although I work all the time, it's a lot easier than the last 3 years, mainly because I don't have to carry dirt and rocks and stuff like that all day, which sucks, right? So I could spend my time harvesting and medicine making and clipping food, hand cutting for the goats and chickens, which they absolutely love. And I love it if they love it. These garlics are looking pretty good. Letting a bunch of, let's see, the radishes and stuff go to seed. So I've been pulling winter stuff out as the summer stuff grows. And surprisingly enough, a lot of this stuff did, most of it, plant itself, including tomatoes and watermelon and all sorts of stuff. And I just barely stopped pinching the flowers, and there's our first little baby. Yeah, little calendulas and zinnias and like those big giant ones over there. I didn't do that. I mean, all I'm really doing is rewilding nature and letting nature do what she wants to do, and just trying to give her the space that she needs. Whatever, camera died. Okay, so I think I said I am just trying to provide her the space she needs to do what she wants to do. And yeah, I feel like it's working out. My goal was to never have to plant a thing. And so that's kind of happening. And I'm so grateful for the reminder that no matter what's going on out there, nature always keeps giving, always keeps providing. Look at these little baby lobelias, comfreys. Yeah, so, oh my gosh, speaking of, and look how beautiful this is. The passion flowers are growing up the sunflowers that, of course, all planted themselves. But yeah, let me show you. This was a really nice surprise this week. Passion flowers, so I've been able to harvest some already. Yeah, this yarrow is off the hook. Oh my gosh, and I can't even believe this sage is still flowering. I've bottled a few gallon tinctures of just the flower tops. Yeah, but more and more it looks a little bit different than when I moved in. And even when I thought I couldn't do it, or the world's against me, or la la la, poor me, I never get any help. Somehow I've made it, and I don't know if anyone out there needs a reminder that every time we look back at all the things we thought we couldn't do, well, we did it, right? Because I need some peas. We're here to tell about it, right? So, if you've been wrong once before, you may be wrong again. And you may surprise yourself, right? I mean, I don't need to mention chemical and biological warfare, but despite all of that, look at this passion flower and this sunflower. Aww. Beauty. She keeps growing. She keeps standing strong and coming back for more. And not that I'm advocating being a glutton for punishment. Can you believe all these flowers here are food? It's like insane, and they're everywhere. If I never do anything with this the rest of my life, it's going to be enough food year-round to last me the rest of my life. And even this area, things are finally ready to grow. I didn't start planting real things till last fall, and they were just like starters of my other plants. Oh, looks like these passion flowers might make it too. Oh, looks like the deer made it too. Oh my God, they ate my wild lettuce. But that's okay. Aw, look at Miss Una being a good mom. Again, so many things to be grateful for. I don't have to buy and figure out how to use an incubator. Or, not that I need any more animals. It's kind of off the hook. But yeah, where am I going? Let's go say hi to Miss Una. And maybe go back and get some more peas. I remember when I first planted these little baby bear roots, wondering, am I ever going to get a grape? Am I ever going to get a berry? Am I ever going to get an elderberry? If you're local and you need an elderberry plant, I might have a few dozen. Russian sage, holy cow. Yeah, the elderberry just went hog wild. Oh, here's another pea here I should pull out for the goats, the ungratefuls. We'll just call them. Well, hello, Mama Birdie, Mama and Birdies. Oh, come on. You're going to act afraid now? Every single color of the rainbow lives here. Go ahead and eat the squash bugs. Naturally hatched by a mama just doing what she wants to do. I'm letting all these calendulas go to seed too, so I can fill up the bed as much as possible. Oh, speaking of filling up, they sound like they want stuff. Yeah, so, well, I don't know if anyone else is, these are kind of tough transits, and pretty much everyone I know or even just come across randomly is feeling extra stressed and pressured, and myself included. Yeah, oh my God, look at that. Wow. Oh, isn't she beautiful? Wow. So I hope if that's you, that maybe you were able to take a break, enjoy a little nature, and try to remember that this too shall pass, right? Whatever it is just temporary, and, you know, going with the flow, grounding, breathing, just getting back to the basics. Like, I've had to do that. I just pretty much had to shut off. Well, I did, not pretty much. I fully shut off all social media and just not even talking to anyone, just except God, and just focusing on what I need to do. Hey, Mama. You know, I mean, I'm sure people think it's easy to just sit around in beauty. Come on, Mama. Here, I gotcha. Woo. All right, I don't know what happened or when, but camera died again, so I guess it's time for me to harvest some more passion flower and shut up and enjoy my sweeties. She's a perfect mom, by the way. In fact, let's see if we can catch some little kitty cuteness, because everybody needs kitty cuteness. Makes the world go. Oh, there's some kitty cuteness right here. Hello, Marmalade. Hello, Marmalade. See anyone else? And look, this is insane. It just piling up everywhere. Where's some kitty cuteness? I don't know where they're hiding. They're big kids now. But here's Miss Pele. And all right, say bye-bye, Marmalade. It was fun. Love you. All right, take care, everyone. Thank you.